Every day, more and more people are using search engines and social media to search for content and socialize on the web. In order for your business to succeed, you need to drive these people to your website. But how? Content marketing can help you do this. Content marketing is the process of creating, publishing, and promoting custom content for marketing purposes on a regular basis. We are the experts in content marketing. We make your brand's content marketing easy. Here's how it works. Say you have a website for custom-made cakes. To get you more business, we create content about custom cake making. This content can be informative infographics, well-written articles, interesting videos, blogs, or even pictures. It has to be unique and interesting to grab people's attention. It has to be search engine optimized to rank high in search engines. After we create your content, it's published on your website and other popular sites. Because your content is search engine optimized with proper search tags and keywords, people find your website with tons of interesting content when looking for information on custom-made cakes. After you update your website with regular quality content, your visitors keep coming back and stay longer. This helps you build more subscribers for your brand. People share your content on social media with others, and you get more visitors to your site. This will result in more traffic, higher link popularity, and higher search engine ranks. It will result in increased conversion rates and more business for you. So, if you're looking to increase traffic to your website, social engagement, page views, and generate more revenue for your business,